fried chicken and fries in a bag, beef and chicken burger served on a toasted bun, and some wicked chicken and fries. Today I'm at O'Shea's Fried Chicken, located right across from the Church of God, 5.5 Chisholm Avenue to be exact. I have to say, when I got to OFC, I was blown away with the crowd. People just kept coming. I was eager to know, how did OFC get started? Well, it was started by this one, Oshane Lynch. Oshane said it all started 5 years ago. He started selling food at his sister and it failed. And his brother came up with the idea that he could start selling at this present location. Oshane jumped at the idea and they both decided to start. Just as the business started, things started to go downhill really fast. Oshane says his brother made some big mistakes in the business.
Him start borrow money, put himself in a debt.
Shay said because of this, there were days when they couldn't even purchase the gas. Business was struggling. This caused many conflicts between